Hello and welcome to our video where we will take you by the hand and reveal the precise roadmap to establish a flourishing enterprise within a single month. By immersing yourself in our valuable information, you will have a thorough understanding of every critical area necessary to launch your own successful entrepreneurial enterprise. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. Discovering your passionate niche is the first critical step in developing a successful work-from-home business. You will not only find joy in your work if you link your business with your hobbies, but you will also draw a dedicated consumer base. Imagine you have a strong interest in gardening and want to turn it into a home-based company. You uncover a market for creative succulent arrangements by following your creative passions for plants. You realize that making and selling bespoke succulent gardens for interior locations may be your expertise. The second step to conduct market research. Understand your target market and its competitors is vital for developing a profitable company plan. Let's say you're interested in graphic design and wish to work as a freelancer. You find via market research that there is a rising need for logo design among small firms in your region. You also notice that your competitors mostly focus on website design, which allows you to specialize in logo design. Next is to craft your unique value proposition. In today's competitive economy, standing out from the crowd is important. A captivating narrative that communicates the particular advantages of your company provides to potential clients. A compelling value proposition will serve as the foundation for your brand's identity. Assume that you decided to launch an online fitness coaching business. After doing a market analysis, you discover that many exercise programs overlook the mental and emotional components of well-being. Your distinct value proposition becomes providing a holistic approach to fitness, incorporating physical exercise, dietary advice, and mindfulness techniques to benefit customers' entire health. The fourth step is to establish a professional online presence. A quality website is an essential component of every successful work-from-home business. Developing an interesting and user-friendly website will successfully promote your products or services. You discover that you have a passion for handcrafted jewelry and want to sell your creations online. You may exhibit your distinctive designs, give extensive product descriptions, and provide an easy-to-use e-commerce platform by creating a professional website. Your website also includes high-quality product photos and customer testimonials, which help to develop credibility and confidence. Following that is to leverage social media to promote your brand. When it comes to advertising your work-from-home business, harnessing the power of social media is a game changer. Look at several social media sites that offer practical advice on how to create interesting content, expand your online presence, and connect with your target audience. From Instagram to LinkedIn, you will learn the finest tactics for increasing the visibility of your business. You found out that you're an excellent baker and want to establish a home-based bakery. You use Instagram to exhibit your gourmet products, reveal behind-the-scenes peaks of your baking process, and engage with potential customers through giveaways and interactive posts. Your social media presence contributes to the development of a strong brand identity and generates a devoted following. Networking is essential for any business, including work-from-home businesses. For the next step, you must build a solid network. Successful networking tactics, both online and offline, will help you connect with like-minded individuals, potential clients, and industry leaders. Building a strong network will not only create chances for collaboration, but will also increase the exposure and reputation of your company. Pretend that you're a freelance writer who specializes in vacation articles. You actively participate in online writing forums, attend virtual conferences, and interact with travel bloggers and influencers to broaden your network. Through these relationships, you may cooperate on projects, receive recommendations, and gain exposure to a larger audience, eventually increasing the visibility of your business. When you manage a home-based business, you must balance work and personal life. Use effective time management strategies and productivity hacks to stay focused, build a routine, and maximize your efficiency. By managing your time properly, you can guarantee that your work-from-home enterprise flourishes while preserving a healthy work-life balance. Think of yourself as a virtual assistant who provides administrative assistance to busy professionals. To efficiently manage your time, you design a calendar that allots particular hours for things like responding to emails, client meetings, and fulfilling project deadlines. You also use time tracking software to check your productivity and keep a good work-life balance. Last but not the least, scale and expand your business. When your work-from-home business begins to gather traction, it's important to look into options for development and expansion. Research on how to scale your business, hire remote workers or freelancers, and find new revenue streams. This area will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to advance your business. Treat it as if you've successfully launched a home-based web shop selling handcrafted candles. As your company expands, you decide to engage a small crew of remote candle manufacturers to keep up with the rising demand. You could consider partnering with local stores and expanding your product range to include personalized candle presents and unique scent compositions. And here are some pointers to help you on your way to establishing a successful work-from-home business. Remember that objectives are like roadmaps for your business. They will lead you through the crazy twists and turns of entrepreneurship in the same way that Google Maps will take you to the next coffee shop when you really need your caffeine fix. Find a room in your house that serves as your work zone, where you can concentrate and be productive. Treat it as your personal fortress of isolation. Sans the spandex superhero costume, unless that's your thing. A routine is like having your own personal business superhero sidekick. It keeps you structured and focused while keeping you safe from the chaos of the unknown. Consider it your personal Batman or Wonder Woman. Allow technology to be your dependable ally in your work-from-home adventure. Embrace the power of digital tools and software in the same way that a superhero embraces their equipment. You will feel like Iron Man in a virtual suit of armor, ready to take on any challenge. Keeping your papers and workstation organized is like having your own private cave. Maintain a clutter-free virtual and physical workplace and you will feel like a business-savvy Batman, always one step ahead of disaster. Stay as inquisitive as a cat pursuing a laser pointer. Seek information, broaden your talents, and never stop learning. Remember, the more you learn, the more superpowers you will get. It's like having a devoted robot buddy when you automate repetitive duties. It saves you time and energy, enabling you to concentrate on activities that genuinely demand your superhuman abilities. Just avoid letting your robot companion go Ultron on you. Self-care is equivalent to replenishing your superhero powers. Exercise, take breaks, and treat yourself to a guilty pleasure, such as binge-watching your favorite superhero movies. Remember that even heroes require rest. Your network is like a group of superheroes. They have your back, provide advice, and lend a helping hand when needed. Together you will establish an Avengers-style coalition ready to take on any obstacle. Treating your consumers like superheroes assures that they will be your lifelong sidekicks. Give great service, listen to their concerns, and give answers as quickly as a bullet. Customer satisfaction is your nemesis. Monitoring your company's analytics is akin to possessing your own superpower of insight. It enables you to make educated decisions, identify trends, and realize the full potential of your organization. With a cape, you will feel like Sherlock Holmes. When it comes to adapting to change, your superpower is flexibility. Be a shape-shifting superhero ready to adapt your company plans and overcome every issue that arises. Keep in mind that incorporating humor into your work-from-home adventures gives a sense of pleasure and keeps your spirits up. Accept your inner superhero and grin your way through the world of remote enterprise. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and interesting. Remember that making your ambitions a reality needs commitment, patience, and unflinching faith in your skills. Never forget that your potential is limitless as you go on. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on how to expand your online presence and turn your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around and we will see you in the next one.